Today I will be talking on how to be successful in life. I think you'll agree with me when I say, some people spend their entire lives wondering how to be successful in life, but never figure it out. Would you be surprised to find out that the secret really comes down to 4 key areas? Well, it does. You see, personal success is achievable for anyone who practices the 4 areas, or keys to success as I call them. Everyone wants personal success and to learn the keys to success. Everyone wants to have a happy, healthy life, do meaningful work, enjoy a career, and achieve financial independence. Everyone wants to make a difference in the world, to be significant, to have a positive impact on those around him or her. Everyone wants to do something wonderful with his or her life. Over and over, I have found that the keys to success are a single piece of information, a single idea at the right time, that can change your life in the right situation. I have also learned that the great truths are simple. If you can follow these tips, you will be able to take control of your life and achieve your goals. Luckily for most of us, personal success is not a matter of background, intelligence, or native ability. It's not our family, friends, or contacts who enable us to do extraordinary things. Instead, the keys to success in life are our ability to get the very best out of ourselves under almost all conditions and circumstances. It is your ability to adapt and change your life. You have within you, right now, deep reserves of potential and ability that, if properly harnessed and channeled, will enable you to accomplish extraordinary things with your life. The 4 keys to success. 1. Decide exactly what you want and where you want to go. 2. Set a deadline and make a plan to get there. Remember, a goal is just a dream with a deadline. 3. Take action on your plan. Do something every day to move toward your goal. 4. Resolve in advance that you will persist until you succeed, that you will never, ever give up. This formula is your key to success and has worked for almost everyone who has ever tried it. It will require the very most you can give and the best qualities you can develop. In developing and following these keys to personal success, you will evolve and grow to become an extraordinary person. Thank you for watching this video. For more videos on success in different areas of life, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon.